You probably have seen that we have this annoying banner here, activate now, for the product activation. So we could click from here, activate now. One option is the online activation. The second option is an offline activation. So if there is no internet connection, you can use Aruba Tech to get the license activated, and then you need to download a token, which is a file that you can download. So you can send it to Aruba Support. They will send you an activation key. You can upload it, and then the license is activated. But for us, the activate now online should work. So let's do that. And as you can see, the appliance has been activated now. So let's sign in now, because we need to activate the other appliance as well as the access, onboard and on-guard license as well. We can do that all from the publisher. So we go to Server Manager, Licensing. Here we have the servers. Now you can see the publisher has been activated. We can activate the subscriber as well. You see that's activated. Now let's activate the other licenses. First the access. Let's do the onboard. And the compliance suite or on guard. And as you can see now, all licenses are activated. Please remind that if the licenses are activated, you can't activate them on other systems. So make sure that you postpone the activation till the moment that you know everything is stable. I have my ClearPass cluster working, so that's the correct moment to get all licenses activated. So we're good to go to